Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Kublai phi baro kini gilongi khubor bam dagasni ka committee schedule cast but schedule tribe ka assembly jila ka le Jurip ya ka Iglavia Model Residential School hapahamsi ka committee jungi schedule cast but schedule tribes SC but ST ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly hagasni balang kala le Jurip ya ka Iglavia Model Residential School EMRS kabadon hapahams im nongpo ban bisharnia ekijingtei ba kajinglong jingman jong ka school. Ya gane kajingle Jurip lalam kman do chairman ka committee but u MLA ka nongstein. U Gabriel Walang ringkat ba kadukot ka committee ka Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo but u MLA ka nongpo umeral bonds im. Ha kajingyay Jurip ki bor penya school ki lapan sngo ya katu kat ni kijing badang sedang bar kijing duna ha kijing te badan kam ban pen bet no khnang ban pen tikana ya kijing ya bet ka school ha ka bor beslam ka jing ya kran kala kado kerpang ya ka hostel ki khna kan thei ka badang duna ha shibun kijing don kam ki ba kongsan Habakran shakilat pathai khubor uwalang ulong ba kijing yo I ba kijing ai jing mut balayo nagani kijing le Jurip on sapendon kam ban penkre ya ka kaipon ka bapura ban IT sha ka sarkar jilla banne ya kijing ram badon kam ulapan pawru bakalong ka bakongsan ban itu bat penbet no ya gini kijing nadu ka pors dang khnang baki EMRS banwan kena ban ai jing hikai ka babha katkum kikendon Ulong shushu bagi jing hikai belayo na ka EMRS hapa hamsim kenong kum ka jing ilam lenti ban kentiu bat penklanya ki par ke school residential ha ka chilla. Ki Iglavia Model Residential School EMRC ki day ka program bakongsan janga Ministry of Tribal Affairs Sarkar India ka bathmu ban ai jing hikai na du ka Kadan Middle Hadu Secondary Shaki Khana Scheduled Tribe ST. Kham tam hagithan bajngai bar kibdang duna hakilat jing hikai. Ha Meghalaya ka EMRS hapa hams im ka day ka baning kong kablas dang tray kampura hapo kani ka scheme. Kablas dang ikasnem puli na du unok pra 8,000 arpsan ka waypat ka EMRS ha Samanta East Garo Hills kalas dang tray kam hakasnem 8,000 arpan riyo. Ka sarkar jila kalabo ya ka thong ka bahe ban pinhe ya kilat jing hikai na ka banta ki pat ba riwlum. Da kabalamang hadu laipu pratali ki EMRS ha Meghalaya hadu usnem 8,000 arpsan. Da ka jingmang pisa kabakot hadu 6,000 saus pa klur tingka kani ka jingtmu kalong bandon la kumno ka we ka EMRS hamanna ka blog ka badon bun ki riwlum. Kanang ban pendap ya ke jingduna ha ka puli puthi bad ban pensuk ya ke jingyo jinghikai ka babha lingba ki school residential.
We have come from the SCSC Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Committee to inspect the EMRS school at Pamsim today. And our inspections, we just want to see that how the school is functioning since it's recently been inaugurated, how it has been operated, how is the functioning, whether the school is in a good conditions or not, whether the staff and the teachers are there or not. And we found that the staff are there, but there are some issues that the school is raising regarding the water, internet facilities, and so many things. It is a very good opportunity that we have visited today, since the EMRS school has just started in our state, Meghalaya. So this, we just want to see that when we come and visit, and we want to see that the rest of the EMRS school that going to be inaugurated in near future should have proper facilities for the students, for the teachers, and for everyone. And we have come today to see, we checked about the girl hostels, and we see that there are so many facilities are lacking in the girl hostels. So these are the things that we can raise this to our government, to tell the government that these are our findings and what solution could be made from our findings.